Hi, welcome to the QuickIT.net. Okay, so in today's lecture, we will going to write a program. Okay, that would be execute on my Selenium grid. Okay, by using the Selenium grid. So let me create one class over here inside a package pom.grid. I have already created the Maven based project, and inside the pom.xml, I have added a dependency for the Selenium jar, Selenium and the GitHub Boni Garcia WebDriver Manager that help me to open my browser. Okay, so let me create a class over here. So I will be going to create one class, and here the name of the class would be my Selenium grid. Okay, include the main method. Okay, then here I will going to use the desire capability class. Okay, so what is a desire capability class? Desire capability is a class which help us to create various instances of my browser. Okay, so desire capability in a Selenium is a class in a Selenium which used to set the properties of browser to perform my cross-browser testing of any web-based application. It stores the capability as the key pair value, and these capability are being used to set the browser property like browser name. You can set the browser version, the path of your browser. Okay, so why do we need the desired capabilities? The desired capabilities are needed because every testing scenario should be executed on some specific testing environment. So this testing environment can be a web browser, it could be a mobile device, it could be a mobile emulator or the mobile simulator, etc. So the desired capability class help us to tell the web driver which environment we are going to use in our test script. Okay, so you need to set capability method of the desired capability of class which explain here. So let me create one object of my desired capability. Okay, so here I have created my object. Okay, then I could set my browser name. So this time I would like to open my Chrome browser. Okay, so here the browser name is Chrome, and then I can set the version of my browser. Okay, so my version would be the current version. You need to check it. Okay, so how do I check? Go to the Google Chrome, and here you can see my latest Google Chrome version. So it's 100.04896.88. Okay, so I have added this version. Okay, I do require one string so that I can able to open my Google page. Okay, so this would be my URL. Okay, any base URL you can say. Okay, base URL equal to https google.com. Okay, alright, and another I do required is my node URL. Okay, so here I'm putting my node equal to, so this node would be, last time we have created the connection between the hub and node. Okay, so can you see over here I'm starting my hub and node. Okay, again. Okay, node has been added, so this is running on this one. Okay, so I will copy this and paste it over here with my default port of my hub. Okay, 444, right? Now I need to use the remote web driver. Okay, if I'm going to use the Selenium grid, right? So what do you mean by remote WebDriver? You need to understand the idea behind the remote WebDriver in the Selenium. So the remote WebDriver client sends the request, okay, to each of my separate machine. Okay, so you can use the WebDriver remotely the same way you would use it locally. The primary difference that is remote WebDriver needs to be configured so that it can run your test on a separate machine. A remote WebDriver is composed of two pieces, a client and a server. The client is your WebDriver test, and the server is simply a Java servlet which can be hosted in many or in any modern JEE app server, right? So how can I use? Okay, so for that, okay, I will be going to use. Let me use here the WebDriver. Okay, WebDriver driver, okay, and import a WebDriver, and here WebDriver manager I am using because I need to open my Chrome browser. Okay, so I can say manager.chromedriver.setup, fine, and I can use new remote WebDriver instead of using the Chrome driver. Okay, new remote WebDriver, okay, and passing the URI. Okay, so here I'm using my node, okay, comma the object of my capability, okay, import the URL from java.net, and here as well I need to make this static variable, okay, and now I can use driver.get, okay, so base URL, right, and let me run this code now. Okay, run with my Java application. So you can see my browser is being open over here. Okay, we'll maximize this browser, fine, and we'll send some values over here. Fine, let me run this code again one more time. So can you see the browser is opening over here, and you can see bitwigit.net name has been entered over here, alright. So let me check my local host as well. Okay, so I have created this session. Can you see I have created this session two times? Okay, so that's what it is showing inside my local grid console panel. Okay, So thank you for watching Selenium Grid. If you like the video, please share with your friends. If you have any question, please comment it. Have a great day.